literally look like shit. Sorry, I have been shooting since morning and I've come home quickly, had lunch, and that's why I look like this, and I can't be bothered to even fix my hair. I'm just so tired. But guess what time it is? We are all going to buy saris for the South Indian wedding. I actually have my sari picked out, but we have everyone else, all the ladies of my house, now finalizing their saris. I don't know how we're fitting, what the situation is. So everyone's getting in. Okay, see you. Very nice.
You remember for Dimpy's wedding, I had worn something like. इसका blouse कौन सा color है? This is still better than all the ones.
Good option. I like this.
Everyone's basically picked out a bunch of saris and everyone's trying everything on to see what color looks good on whom. And then we were also thinking, if we get a few options, like we can figure out a color palette for everyone, not in a way where it looks like they're all wearing school uniforms, but in a way where it looks cohesive in our pictures and it doesn't look like everyone's worn, you know, different shades of different colors, like someone wears a yellow or a purple or blue and green. So we're trying to find a neutral family that everyone likes. Yeah, now turn video hai. Bas turn back.
I like the green.
Because it's a kurta she's wearing inside. I don't know.
नहीं मैं कपड़े पे step नहीं करती.
बस
Turn also.
टर्न करके क्या ही दिख रहा है.
Just to see the light.
सही एक साइड ड्रेस तो ही एक उम्मीद है.
This is I think younger color.
ठीक है.
अच्छा लग रहा है.
अगर हम लोगों को पैटर्न बनाना है
But I feel like you can find a better color.
Yeah.
I'll go home and fight today.
Why is that on the?
The blouse, like what the blouse का hand will look like. उस पे work करा सकते हैं हम.
थोड़ा मेरे को ये mature side पे लग रहा है. Actually, I'll tell you what. The moment we take all the pleats up now,
Yeah, and like
all look
cinch it
mature.
in like this.
Yeah, all look mature.
उनला मस्त डे कलर.
She likes the color.
होती का हम आंडोर करते हैं.
Hi guys, I am about to head to a house that we have liked and are potentially going to finalize for me and Addy to move into after we get married. So exciting! I'm so excited. This is actually a place we've already seen twice. Is it twice or thrice? Twice, yeah. I have gone and seen it in person. Addy and I have seen it twice already. We've already taken Khushi to see the house, and today I'm taking my mom and Isha to see the house because my mom is very like into astrology and like directions, numbers, vastu, all of that. And I feel like it's like gotten into my head because I believe in energy and stuff. So I was like, I need to take her, and it's such a nice place. I just want their opinion. So we're going to go see the house and let's see, they're here. So yeah, let's see what they Hi guys, see the
Colors of pink.
Hi. So I'm going to show them and see what they think. We are in the house. Oh my god, see the light. Light is approved. Shades of pink.
I don't know, मेरे मुझे आता है Pond's color.
Content creators first.
After being a content creator.
Yeah, for too long.
Yeah.
But our main thing was that the light, we need like,
It's very nice. Yeah.
that is the main first check, and it's approved. The vibes in this house are very positive. Wow. Hawa, air is flying. Our tick mark box is, our checklist is something different from what normal people look for in houses. Ours is slightly different.
Actually, ours is very different.
They must be thinking she's come 3 times to see this house, just take it now.
And नए लोगों को निकल आइए यहाँ पर सिर्फ बैठ कर अपना
Oh, wow.
brainstorming भी किया
Yeah.
It's very important to have empty space.
Yeah. I'll do, like, show the house properly later once we finalize it. But यहाँ गिरेगा नहीं ना. I am at Anushka Khanna's store. So I'm basically here to figure out, I'm sorry, I'm very distracted. There's too many people looking at me. But I'm here to finalize my mehendi haldi outfit for the wedding. Can you imagine that I haven't finalized my outfit yet? But I'm so excited. The reason is that this image of Alia Bhatt was my inspo for the mehendi haldi. And I was like, I want to do something on the lines of this outfit. Like, I knew I wanted to do a sharara and lean more into like a Punjabi aesthetic, because none of my outfits from the wedding are, you know, very Punjabi. But actually, now that I think of it, my wedding lehenga is more traditional, because I thought I was going to do a more modern look. Anyway, I'm gonna speak when we reach there. But the designer who designed the Alia Bhatt outfit is actually doing my mehendi outfit. Crazy.
Either I twist it into it so we don't see so much of yellow.
A little bit.
You know, like I'll do a twisty, or we add it as a sash. That we can see when you come in.
Okay.
But I definitely want to use this red versus this red with that.
Yeah, this
Absolutely.
is a little. Actually, this is more tomato red.
Yeah, and
This is
because
more bright.
Bright, yeah,
Okay, I like the bright red then.
yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Definitely.
This with the blush pink.
Yeah. With the
this
fit and
one,
flare
this
sharara, correct? The one that she had on the last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely. Love it.
I don't know who can understand the final.
Cool. What I can do is I can show you a little bit of the swatch on the red of this embroidery,
Yeah.
so that you can be 100%
Yeah.
sure.
I can visualize it better.
Yeah. Cool.
I think we can do a blush garara.
Yeah.
It looks stunning.
Way to understand the layouting of it.
We've got Manav and Dakshita from DB Spaces. They are doing our wedding decor, and we've also got our wedding planner Vedika on the call. We are basically doing this meeting to discuss the mehendi decor. We've done many iterations, but this is what we finally landed at.
But this pretty much sums up the entire venue. This is where you actually enter from. This is the same shot of the same angle, basically.
Oh.
That's the bar. That's towards the, like, you go there and there is a turn around the lake view.
This
And
looks
that's where we're
so
planning to do the
pretty. This looks really nice.
And that's the backdrop. And yeah, that's the entire video. Basically, we've used every tree as like a very cozy corner
Yeah.
for like kind of sit and have fun, because the laid back atmosphere that we always wanted to create. And you know, your backdrop is right there and you're going to be performing there, or any performance that's going to happen, it's going to happen there. This area around that lake scene, it's just the fun zone, like relax zone.
Wow.
We're not putting any dance floor or anything else.
Very pretty.
Yeah. So I guess this area is approved.
Yeah.
So that's where you can start with the entrance. You can just mark the entrance and I'll play the video.
Okay.
But you like the colors we have majorly used, Ashna? Again, I think creating this entire layout also has helped us understand the color theory of Haldi better, because until now, हमारे दिमाग में भी we were playing around with 4-5 colors, but again we were never able to like narrow down to at least 2 or 3 specific ones.
Yeah.
Here we're just around with reds, oranges and yellows, because some lighter shades was supposed to be there. Otherwise, red and orange would have been too traditional.
Got it.
We'll also show you an option where on the table arrangements we've added whites as well to just kind of balance the entire theory out. I'll show that to you.
Okay.
I think Dakshita has sent the image in the group.
Yeah, so this is like the first. अभी ये वाला जो video है ना, it's happening from that side where I put like an arrow. It's
Okay.
happening from that side. So
Yeah.
you're going towards the venue.
Like here. Sorry, this one's a bit too slow, but
But this is how you're going, and this is the main tree in between, which
Okay.
will have a lot of photo ops.
Okay.
Yeah.
correct. And the next one is the same tree. This is the close-up shot of the tree.
Golden view of that.
Yeah, that same tree right there is like basically you have a view of the lake and this tree as well. So we thought when Aditya and we were all there, we thought we'll make it like a lounge backdrop with the tree and everything.
So basically, there are two trees, आमने सामने. So these are the two trees which are like in front of each other. The one tree which has got like very dense leaves and everything will have photo booths happening. ऐसा poopies के साथ नीचे carpet पे, something like that. You know, some throws and a lot of flowers, some coffee tables with like cute detailings, fruits
Okay.
रखे हुए हैं या कुछ भी ऐसा, you know, दिन वाला setup. And all these trees will have bulbs ऐसा haphazard lined up है. If you see, bulbs also they've put in over here
Yeah.
so that you can understand that yes, you know, haphazard bulbs चलेंगे towards the shaft. और
Okay.
इसके सामने वाला जो ट्री है जो लेक के सामने है, उसको also we have done something like that. However, that we have made it just as lounge seating. वहाँ पे
Okay.
हमने ऐसा नीचे सीटिंग नहीं किया है. इस ट्री में हमने नीचे सीटिंग किया है, उधर पे हमने लाउंज सीटिंग की है.
Okay. ठीक है.
So that difference भी पता चल रहा है. So basically this. यहाँ पे हमने फर्नीचर ज्यादा लगाया. मेन ट्री के नीचे हमने वैरायटी ऑफ फर्नीचर लगा दिया. बैठ जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ,
हाँ.
जैसे भी आप जाओ. That whole big tree.
Yeah.
L is the lounge seating कि यहाँ पे हम मोस्टली लाउंजेस कर रहे हैं. हम इसमें लो सीटिंग नहीं दे रहे हैं. P is बार के आगे जाके वो जो P वाला पूरा एरिया था, that's like a photo booth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now about your backdrop. Okay, matlab, do you guys really want to do sunflower?
और यू जस्ट यू नो उस टाइम आपको बस लगा कि हाँ सनफ्लावर कर सकते हैं तो कर लेते हैं. आर यू बेंट टुवर्ड्स सनफ्लावर्स और डू यू
No, we are okay with changing it also.
ओके
ये तो आई
Because
थिंक इन द रेफरेंस पिक्चर दैट वी शेयर्ड उसमें आई थिंक सनफ्लावर वाला वो था, बट ऐसे हम हेलबेंट नहीं है टू यूज सनफ्लावर्स.
Correct. Your basic requirement was that you want to have flowers in the back.
Yeah, just so that it looks like we have a different backdrop for haldi ka pictures.
Correct. So basically, why we do not want to do sunflowers is basically हमने at least 15 बारी कर दिया होगा.
हाँ, हम
So we
change
don't
कर
do
सकते हैं.
sunflower.
It's an overkill now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
चलेगा.
Sunflower and सूरज की बाहों में it's done. So we want to do florals, but let's see of different concepts where
हाँ.
Dakshita and these
Can
are
I
fine.
give a suggestion? And Ashna, tell me how you feel about it. हम origami fabric के जो flowers होते हैं, they look very delicate and you can do them in different sizes and different levels and you can achieve that grandeur-ness about it. I don't know if it's possible or not.
हाँ.
Manav and Dakshita, you guys chip in and Ashna, Ate, you tell us how you feel about it. But just a suggestion, looking at how this is looking, and अभी जैसे पीछे कुछ yellow flowers I can see, it's a very similar this thing, and I feel it will go on this white, and then the flowers could all be like yellow and orange का combination. Since Ashna is wearing a red, similar to your South Indian color palette, because that's green and white and gold.
I also like the left one now.
I think let's stick to the red, orange and yellow without the whites. But guys, then in that case, हमारे umbrellas कौन से कलर के होंगे?
अम्ब्रेला हमने उसमें भी थोड़े वही रखे हैं. मतलब जो 3D में था that was like orange, right?
Yeah.
But umbrellas को हम वैसे भी थोड़ा सा beige base देंगे. Otherwise बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. So umbrellas we'll certainly use what is there on the right.
Yeah.
कहीं से निकल के आया होगा ये, कोई ना कोई बॉक्स में छुप के रखा होगा सालों से.
Actually.
जब से निकल के आया तब
You're
से
right.
इनको देखा कलर कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. मेरी ज्वेलरी तो मैं रोज ब्लैक कपड़े पहनूंगी ताकि मैं इस ज्वेलरी को रोज पहन सकूं.
You are absolutely right.
I am always right.
Let's do some touch-ups.
hourglass in the shade Impulse. I'm doing it on front cam, so it gets exposed. Beautiful. The only thing I don't like is that it's obviously got plumping effects. But Addie's right. I found this necklace, which I've had for very, very long. I don't know how many years. And now that I've found it, I'm wearing it with everything. That's what happens. Like my jewelry goes into rotation. So I'll go for like one earring every day or one necklace that I find. I'll try and wear it every day. We are going to the petrol pump. I'm already late. 49 minutes, not bad, but we are going to finalize my last wedding outfit. I can't believe I've still not finished. Actually, we haven't finalized my cocktail outfit also, but now we are going to finalize my last like mehndi outfit. And then the last thing for cocktail that is remaining is to finalize the design. It's actually not the last thing, is the first thing. वही finalize नहीं हुआ है तो outfit शुरू कैसे होगा? Product of the day is this.
जितनी ईज से आप उसको दिखा रहे हो
हाँ.
तो उसकी नीड लग नहीं रही है अब.
क्या बोलना चाहते हो आप? मैं ड्रामा कर रही
ऊपर
हूँ.
कमाला खाली है ये बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I have a lot of pain in this hand from carrying this ring. Just kidding. I actually had a physio appointment for my neck and my shoulders because it's tense. There's just so much weight I'm carrying all the time. But I forgot to show my hand, my wrist in that appointment. And ever since, it's been like 4 days and the pain is constantly increasing. Like in the morning it starts because it's mainly just here, like on my wrist. It increases as the day progresses. So yesterday also it was fine. In the evening it started spreading towards my fingers and towards the rest of my arm. At night I put a crepe bandage on my hand and then I started feeling very weird, so I removed it. I took a painkiller because it honestly was really bad at night. Like I felt like even when I was resting my hand it was in pain, not that I was moving it. And I can't do like simple things also that require no pressure on the hands. So turning the tap on, tying my hair, wearing my bra, taking a screenshot, like all of this is hurting. Now I can still do this. That's it. But I can't do this. So this is what Addie has ordered for me. ये पहनते कैसे हैं but I don't think ये कुछ करेगा Addie.
करेगा.
ये तो लूज है मेरे लिए but
ऐसे रोटी की तरह ना पहनना है उसे. मैं वो उसके अंदर लिखा हुआ है ना, उसमें ऐसे लपेटना तो है ना उसे.
तो
उस पे बॉक्स में देखना एक पेपर होगा, उसमें समझ आएगा. देखो एग्जैक्टली क्या. अभी गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ, नहीं तो मैं ही पहना देता.
I think ये ऐसे आता है.
देख इधर डब्बे में जो फोटो बनी ना, ऐसे होना चाहिए.
आओ ऐसे
थोड़ा टाइट बांधना है बस, ताकि रिस्ट पे थोड़ा रहे. जो फर्स्ट फोल्ड है वो टाइट होना चाहिए.
I don't think open ही better है.
आई तो थिंक बिल्कुल किसी की बात नहीं मानती है. फिर उसका कल भी मैंने कहा था रात भर उसको रहने दे, अब सुबह तक बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाता.
अब हम वो बनाएंगे. स्टार्टिंग क्या था उसका?
आपको पता है मेरी उंगली को क्या हुआ? अरे बट मुझे कैसे पता कि आपकी उंगली को क्या हुआ?
वकाल, आपको पता है मेरे साथ क्या हुआ है? You know that रील ऐसे बनाते हैं. अपने बारे में कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बताइए. इंटरेस्टिंग
ये देखो.
ये क्या है? वकाल, आप जानते हो मेरी उंगली के साथ क्या हुआ?
अरे लेकिन मैं कैसे जानता हूँ आपकी उंगली के साथ क्या हुआ है?
We're gonna make this video today. I don't know. इसको मैंने बांधा नहीं है ढंग से. See, it's still like loose. But इससे ज़्यादा tight हम कर कैसे सकते हैं?
आउची हो गया.
Oopsie. इसकी वजह से
ट्रैफिक
ट्रैफिक था क्या? Did I mention we are going to finalize my mehndi outfit? That's the one outfit जो बिल्कुल ही कुछ नहीं हुआ है अब तक finalize. बाकी सब outfits अभी तक बन रहे हैं मेरे. But this outfit we need to lock today itself.
And like that's how it's gonna be.
Okay.
This, correct? Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
So a red
The
base,
top is
red base with the baby pink mirror work.
No, so it will be
Red, yeah, baby pink and this.
so
mirror
this
work.
will be red, and this will be baby pink and red.
Oh, not
Because
a plain
otherwise
baby
it will
pink.
be
too plain.
yeah.
Too stark.
It'll be too stark. Yeah. See,
Okay.
like here, the big one is the tone on tone, right?
Ah, so the big ones are gonna be red,
Red.
and then the other
The
ones
other
are gonna
ones
Will
be
be the mix
shaded.
of.
Okay, cute.
baby.
Not
Yeah.
bad, not bad.
Essentially, it will look like this.
Yeah.
You know, but in these
Understood.
colors. Yeah. So everything is in gunmetal and silver.
Yeah.
And then here, I'm doing a dark pink and rose, like the twisty stole.
Okay.
Easy.
But I'll definitely add the ghungroos.
Take the call.
Yeah. And then if you all want to add the third stole, we can decide that once you all come in and try the whole thing, and we just want to add the third one.
बैक स्ट्रेट करो बोली इसकी तरह ही बैठ जाओ ना आप भी
What did you eat? Nani, Nani pie,
बस उसको प्यार आ गया अब
Nani pie, you're stinking. The ganda smell कर रहा है.
Good job आप फूक मारो ना उसके मुंह पे
Okay, sorry. Sorry. No, so sad. Who is that? Why is she doing like that for you?
चलो खड़े हो जाओ आपके हाथ में लग जाएगी ओ नो तब से वीडियो तो ऑन ही नहीं करी मैंने
Sorry, मैं प्यार नहीं कर सकती ऐसे. Guess where we're going again to see outfits. But this time,
It's for me
yeah, it's not for me, guys. मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए हैं. Addie is tired of going to all my outfit appointments with me.
So yeah, as we were saying, we are actually, sorry, it's very sunny. We are going to see Addie's mehendi outfit because he hasn't finalized it yet. It's so, I feel like we are very, very late with just the timeline of our outfits being made, and everything's going to come together very last minute, and all our trials are going to happen very last minute. But अब हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. I am the sole problem of this issue because I was like, everybody needs to wait so that I figure out my outfits first, and then Addie is going to match me or pick something contrasty or whatever. But we like needed to know my out. I got the priority on the outfits, so all thanks to. I'm wearing this white House of Chicken Curry kurta, if you can see, and no makeup, only lipstick, lip gloss balm. Actually, I don't have my lipstick with me. It's the MAC lipstick, I don't know what shade, and then that only as blush. I've applied the lipstick as blush. So we're going. We actually finalized my mehendi outfit. Woohoo! And it's red in color. It's exciting. Let's see. Let's see what we pick for Addie.
I think I'll also go for red.
अच्छा लग सकता है actually.
Of course, I think
If
अच्छा
we
लगेगा
both
ये.
do red.
Yes.
But mine is red with a lot of
Mirror.
silver mirror work. Yeah.
So आई थिंक हम कोई भी फंक्शन में मैच नहीं कर रहे, लाइक ऐसा हम कंट्रास्ट या फिर ऐसा
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं, तो वन
No,
फंक्शन वी
cocktail
कैन
हम कर रहे हैं. देखा. ठीक है, we can go there and see options that we
She
like.
and I were having a discussion and she was also like you should also try and go for red because it will look good then. तो मैंने बोला yes, मैं यही सोच
But
रहा
then two functions back to back we are matching, and then South Indian also is actually a similar palette. It's neutral.
था. अगर मुझे red अच्छा लगेगा तो मैं ready हूँ. Because I am not so keen on wearing that powder blue
Blue
तुम लोग
that
मुझे
we are
suggest
talking.
कर रहे हो.
But let's see ना वहाँ पे options अगर और भी कोई colors हैं, maybe green. I really like a green.
But
Like
then
green was my top color for mehendi.
guests को
A
हमने
forest
already
green.
भेज दिया है ना, तो green
It's part of that, yeah. But it's okay. Let's see what we like. Fingers crossed we can finalize something today.
pink देना ही नहीं चाहिए था उसे, सिर्फ red देना चाहिए था.
Nay, we picked this out actually. Da, 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 da. Green is another option. We really like the blue, but even the green is a very nice option. I'm tired. I basically have a brand shoot right now, the second one for the day, and it requires so many props and quite a setup. So I've just been collecting all my props and I'm just tired. My back is hurting. I'm waiting to get my period, and it's that weird phase between getting cramps, feeling low and irritated and moody, and not getting my period. I know what you're thinking. I've already done that, don't worry. This is actually quite a Monday. I still have to do my makeup, oh my god. I already shot one video. I finished a meeting. I had to shoot a clip in my car, so we went and did that. Came back, and then I've started putting all the props together needed for that. I've cleared out my entire room, everything opposite my bed. There was so much stuff, PR boxes everywhere. Everything is out of my room and in the living room. It's their problem now. But we needed space because we need to put a chart paper here and create that whole set in my room. I'm gonna remove my mattress so that they can set the tripod and stand on my bed and shoot it, because there's like we need a lot of depth to get the shot, so you need to be very far from the camera, needs to be very far from me, and the bed is the only option. So I'm going to remove my bedding, put my mattress across the window, and then they'll literally like stand on my bed and shoot that video, because everything is so chaotic in this house right now. Everyone is so loud all the time. The bell is ringing all the time. The hall is always busy, and this video is a full talking dialogue video, so I can't have interruptions. That's why I'm shooting inside my room. And after that reel, I don't know how long that reel will take. I am guessing the reel will take 2.5 hours. I don't know. And after that, we need to change the whole setup to a new backdrop and then do pictures for another brand, the third brand shoot that I have. My phone is going off. Everyone's texting about different things, about outfits, about decor, about the bar. I'm just tired.
मेरा तो ड्रीम था ना, इन द सेंस जब मैं तेरे को डेट करना शुरू किया था, जब मैं तेरे को लाइक भी करता था थोड़ा सा, तो मैंने सोचा था ना कि मैं अपना कि काश भगवान इससे भी शादी करा दे यार, मैं तो इतना पसंद करता हूँ इसको वैसा. तो मेरे लिए तो वो रीलिव करने का और वो सब है. तो अभी जो 1 महीना रह गया पूरा, और होने के भी 1 महीने बाद तक कुछ भी नेगेटिविटी जो भी मेरी तरफ आएगी उसको मैं फक ऑफ बोल सकता हूँ, और बोल सकता हूँ मुझे नहीं चाहिए वैसा, मैं खुश रहना चाहता हूँ बस.
That's the game plan. Good morning. I am in the car by myself today. Usually Addy is with me, but I'm actually up bright and early for my hair appointment. My hair is quite fresh because of yesterday's shoot, but it's also very, very long. And so many of you have DM'd me on Instagram because I had posted a story from the car only like this, and so many of you had told me that you guys loved my hair length. So this is actually going to be my wedding hair appointment because I wanted to do my hair a little early, like not right before the wedding, so that the color has a little time to blend in, because I feel the hair color looks the best once it's got a little time to like settle in.
You get sickness and all, na? Why are you sitting here? Sit with the driver again.
ड्राइवर अंकल जरा स्प्लिट करना मेरे साथ दिस मिस्ट्री केक.
एक तो मैंने ब्राइड के बाजू में बिठा दिया है विद द केक,
So no surprises here.
I'm scared it's a tissue just flies now with the cake.
I've hidden the tissues. Anyone want mint? No,
I want.
I'm good. We're ready for our trip. 1 month to go. Exactly 1 month.
Exactly
guys.
1 month. So
आज एक महीने बाद आज हम सब कॉकटेल की तैयारियां कर रहे हो. और हमारे कपड़े अभी तक डिसाइडेड नहीं है. किस किस के कॉकटेल के कपड़े हो गए?
nobody.
किसी का नहीं हुआ है. See, Punjabi music. This is my cocktail outfit.
Wow. This is Avika will be full as a beach shoot. Yes.
Yeah.
और पीछे का I think देखो डॉलर एक बैकलेस करा के ही रहेगी.
I'd imagine this is at night. But in the cold, no? When else? When else?
I'll be honest. सब लोग अपने दिमाग से
Everyone's just telling me to drink shots.
directly.
Yeah, and
just
feel
carry
the
one
warm
for
jacket.
Yeah, very sexy.
I told but Fervor वो देने वाली है jacket, but it's not going to do anything because
हाँ इतना
चालू नहीं है ना भाई.
ईशा used to be वो बच्ची जो ड्राइवर के बैठती थी.
Give me the first seat if I don't get motion sickness. खुशी को उस पर बैठाते थे ना इनोवा के. मेरे को उधर ही चालू है motion sickness, you know, because I bullied me when I was a
All
kid.
drama से थोड़ी देर childhood only. Motion sickness.
They used to make me sit उल्टा on that इनोवा का कहीं पे भी small, what do you call it? Glove box. That बीच का compartment.
और एक हमारा वो जो गाड़ी था उसमें बीच में वो
And not only that, she used to sit facing ulta. How will I sit facing